Quantum computing is a bit of a mystery for most people. When you first started working with IonQ on the Forte project, what were your initial thoughts? How did you wrap your head around design and engineering something so abstract and futuristic?
We started with questions. We just threw a bunch of questions at the team. Explain quantum processing or quantum physics like I'm a 5-year-old. What ended up happening was we got to more of like a metaphorical type of response. One of the responses was quantum computing is vibrations of atoms in a chain based on synthesized waves of light. And I was like, what? Can you restate that? And so what came out was actually it's most analogous to playing music. So everything quantum is just waves of vibrations. Atoms emit frequencies. And so it's like a symphony that's happening inside of the device. And so that was kind of this idea that we had to play with that I latched onto. So it's a symphony. The atoms are singing. How do we make the design sing? Waves, ripples. My mind went to, okay, like vertexes, nodes, ascending, descending. So what is the story here? And how do we ride that journey up the wave, down the wave? And how do we express that in the design? So that's kind of how we started. Very abstract, but then eventually it got to a point where we could express that in materials, in our processes, in the reflections you see, and anyway, the graphics, everything. So that's
Yeah, that's
basically how that started.